ready, go. D, G, right. GVL Jazz Collective is putting on this camp, and then progressively start adding some things to that. It's just a day camp, 9 to 1 each day. B flat, G. We're trying to just create this attitude that they can just play music forever, no matter if they're going to major in music or be a musician full time. We're hoping that jazz brings another element to music that they can maybe take with them the rest of their lives.
He is an amazing bassist, and I've learned so much from him. We've been working on scales, we've been working on slapping. He's an amazing teacher.
It's awesome. He goes in detail about everything, and that helped me like so much, especially not being a bass player for my primary instrument.
It's so fantastic for them to be able to work with these teaching artists who are so ingrained in the GVL Jazz community. You know, learning jazz requires a positive, encouraging environment that the folks from GVL Jazz are able to give. And all of these students are leaving this campus with a renewed sense of their self as improvisers and excited to get better.
These kids are great. They're doing things that we weren't doing at their age already. So if they can hear that, then they know they have a step up and they can really grow in exponential ways.